my understanding.
The primary optical axis is squared up to the collimate. And now, we will install the reflector mirror in the focuser to align the focal angle. The reflector mirror represents the focal plane of your final optical axis, so it is critical to load it properly. Make sure the reflector mirror
Okay,
is
but for some reason we shifted. Let's see if we can take care of it with the telescope. Okay, that one's where it needs to be.
To allow the collimator's laser crosshairs to reflect off the mirror installed at the focal plane. You should see the reflected crosshairs on the collimator target face, but it may be blurry because of additional optics depending on the model of your scope. Adjust the appropriate screws on the focuser to center aim the laser crosshairs.
I think we're at where we need to be.
Looks like it's dead center on the front of the scope too.
It is too?
Yep.
Okay. We'll go from here.
I'm looking around.
So you don't have any adjustments here though.
Yeah.
There's no way we can adjust your primary mirror.
The best we can do is get the
The corrector plate and the secondary mirror.
that's the best we can do.
Let me take this out and see what it looks like.
Some scopes, for example, the Celestron and HD, have built-in corrector plate adjustments, a very good feature. In other scopes, we will hold and shift the secondary mirror to adjust until
not that
all
bad.
4 inner crosshair tips are symmetric on the same concentric ring.
Here is where we would do the minute adjustments on your scope to get that crosshair right there straight up where it needs to be, but we can't. That'd be a Celestron send-off thing to do. But the bad part is, by the time UPS gets it back to you, you probably end up the same way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tighten the corrector retaining ring to hold the secondary mirror in the corrected position.
Here's where we have to adjust your bob knobs.
If I had some.
Well, you have those.
Yeah.
Let's check your. Let's loosen up and see if we can by shifting your
Secondary.
no, you're just your what is it, corrector plate.
And inner tips.
We might be able to center off. Well, maybe not. We'll see. Let's see.
Mirror is concentric in the primary optical path, and the
I'm just going to loosen up a little bit.
is also square.
We don't want to take it out.
This is the final step to collimate your scope. In this step, you will be adjusting the secondary mirror axis to line up with the final optical train axis. Switch to mode 2 on the collimator. Adjust focus to bring all 3 converging laser dots on the back
I have to do it
focus
then, I'm sorry.
to a single point.
Notice that.
Adjust the
It matches the other marks. In case we spin it,
The 3 dots on the collimator target.
you can barely see it. If you look at my scope, I have the same marks.
Yeah, it's fine.
Check if the converged lasers behind the reflector mirror are also centered on the small bullseye target. If not, the secondary mirror is still not positioned correctly in the primary optical axis. You will need to repeat the process from step 4 to correct this.
Okay. Oh shoot, it's loose.
Here is the full width and mathematical analysis of the image of
One of your screws is loose. And look, see the crosshairs on your focuser?
Yeah.
Watch it as I move it.
collimation.
Oh, wow.
It's just off a little bit.
And then when you did that, look what it did to the dots on the thing.
Aims parallel
We weren't getting dots earlier.
to the axis.
And so it's just loose. Okay. This is going to be a lot easier than you thought.
Congratulations.
Now, the one main thing, if the guys do get one of these, the one thing I do is just when you do the Allen wrench adjustment, Just get it where it's just
Not snow, just touching.
just touching.
Yeah.
And then the ring is what presses the glass in place. Yeah, so you're almost there. I'm trying to see if let's see, is that the right one? Which way do we need to go? We need to go up. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I get a small Allen wrench? You're kidding me.
Smaller than.
I got smaller ones. I even got even smaller than that. But that's too small. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're welcome to touch the knobs. Get it just right.
I think we've knocked it off the line.
We probably have.
Yeah.
Well, we probably have by jostling it when we loosened the ring too.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, that's true. Yeah, because it's funk.
Yeah, you heard it fall? Yes.
I was like, what the crap was that?
Where it was loose.
Yeah, it just, as soon as he took it less screw loose, the front of the
heard it.
telescope went clunk. Where it was not, it's not properly in
So
there.
what we'll do, once we do this first collimation, we'll redo it again to make sure we did the first time correct.
You can tell we're off, because it's off to the, yeah.
And
That's
I didn't move this guy. Unless the scope moved. That's okay, but we'll redo it.
At least now we can get it closer.
How's the crosshairs looking?
They're, let me get, I mean, it's on it.
Okay, yeah.
It's more on it than it was a while ago.
No more slop in it?
No. It's okay.
Oh, we're still in the center ring. So, oh yeah, there we go.
You had one Allen wrench screw that was completely loose.
Okay.
Matches up to the ring between rings 1 and 2. First, we will adjust the telescope and then the collimator. We will adjust the horizontal and vertical axis separately, starting with the horizontal axis. Concentrate on one axis at a time. For example, when adjusting the
very tight.
horizontal axis,
I'm
ignore
losing
the
it.
vertical axis and vice versa.
Okay, now I have slop again.
Align the outer tip of the horizontal
What does the crosshairs look like on your field of view?
Can you come up to the dots?
Yeah, is it off?
No, well, they're off, yeah, they're off. Of course, I don't know which way. They're off, yeah.
So off to the right to
So I
the
don't know if it's to the,
bottom right.
Next, align the vertical axis
that's,
by
yeah, that's
adjusting
not,
the up and down controls on
That better?
a little, hard to tell. Hard to tell. Oh, yeah, okay.
It's going down to the bottom, isn't it?
You moved it closer to the center, though.
Let me loosen this one so I can prop this one back in.
On all that right there is all the three dots supposed to be on top of each other in there.
It's supposed to be in the center.
All three of them, but they're supposed to be on top of each other when you get it lined up.
In the center? I think
They're in the center ring, but they're not all converged.
In this step, only the horizontal crosshairs matter. We will adjust the vertical crosshairs in the next step. Now focus on the left and right pan of the collimator. Pan the collimator left and right using the side adjustment knob until the crosshairs line up with the vertical target line. You have now roughly aligned the telescope.
Yeah, we're up at the other corner.
That's okay. We'll take care of it.